So back in 2014, we worked with Greenline to create a shade shelter around our uniform and canteen areas. And it was always part of the master plan that we would create a shade shelter that linked our Sheehan buildings all the way through to our library. So this is the next stage of our master plan.
With this area being right in the middle of the school and such an interesting shape, there was lots of options we looked at. So the client was looking to achieve a waterproof link, most if not all the way between existing buildings. What we ended up with is a large centrepiece type of structure which has a main element curving across the length of the space, and then the small elements going backwards towards the building just to tie that cover in. They were looking to maintain sightlines through to a large cross on the building immediately adjacent. Plus there was existing windows which they wanted to maintain natural light into those.
We had quite a detailed engineering design phase. All steel was fabricated locally here in Wagga, powder coated in Cowra and delivered to site in Goulburn. The covers were manufactured in New Zealand and imported into Australia. The installation took approximately 3 weeks for the 3 different structures to be all tied in together, a further week for plumbing and a site clean.
The installation process was fantastic. It actually happened during school time. They had a really clean site. Everything was fenced off. We felt very safe with Greenline workers constructing the shelter, and the school was able to continue with its daily business. We were so shocked when we first saw it finish because we never imagined how huge it was going to be. The height of it was just enormous, and it sort of took our breath away initially, but we've got used to it now and it's very much a part of our school. We were also able to use this area for our Year 12 farewell breakfast at the end of last year, and it was a really wonderful space to farewell our Year 12s in.
The structure was one of the more challenging installations that I've managed and has been a great success for both the school and Greenline. The kids love it and it provides an all-weather space for them, including night activities with the lights under the structure.
Really happy with the final result. It's very much a partnership working with the client to make sure that we're taking on board their objectives and then applying our expertise and our resources and processes to turn it into something that's going to stand the test of time and make a statement of that space for the long term.
What I love about this structure is that our students are protected. We're so happy with what Greenline have created. We're really appreciative of all the work that they've put into it.